guys, welcome. Is this time away from the malls and not being able to go shopping just killing you? If this is you, stay tuned to this video because today we are going to talk about shopping our closet and creating outfits with clothes that we already own. Welcome, I'm Carrie LaShell. I'm an image consultant and style expert and the author of the book, The Outside Inside Magic of a Great Image. And my passion is helping everyday women just like you look and feel amazing in their clothes. It truly is my passion to help women navigate the malls, navigate your closet, and navigate your wardrobe in general. So I would love to have you part of my style community. If you're interested, please click the little red subscribe button down below and ring the bell to be notified every week when I release new videos. So let's get started. In last week's video, I actually showed you guys how to use your Pinterest board to create outfits. So if you haven't watched that video of how to create outfits using your Pinterest board, I highly recommend that you watch that because it will give you an activity that you can do to create some outfits with the clothes that you already have. But this week, we're going to do a second activity to shop our closet and use clothes that we currently have to create some more fun outfits. So what I want you to do this week is start thinking about some pieces in your closet that you have, that you love, that you want to make outfits with. And so you're going to start with one piece at a time. And I want you to create 3 outfits with that one piece. And we're going to use Google Images to help us get started. So step 1 is to go along your clothing rack and find one item that you would like to have 3 new outfits with. So we're going to do this one item at a time so that we don't feel overwhelmed. So I have chosen this blue and white striped skirt. And as you can see, I'm going to go along my clothing rack and I'm going to pull out a couple tops and see what they look like. As you can see, this one with the blue and white anchor works really, really well. Now let's try this coral. How do we feel like the coral works with it? Actually, I think the coral looks really great with it because coral and blue are a great color combination. Especially, I added some kind of a blue necklace to tie it all together, or maybe I would add a jean jacket over the top to create a really cute outfit. And this third item is going to be mixing patterns and prints. And so I can choose a blue and white top that has flowers, and it also adds a teal color, as you can see here, that looks really, really awesome. So I suggest that you try one item from your closet and move along the rack and see what goes with that one item. So I think it's really important that we have a closet full of clothes that we love, that fit us well, that are part of our style story, and that are versatile. And so if you are going along your rack and you stumble upon a piece of clothing that can only be worn with, say, one other item in your closet, you kind of need to stop and look at that item and think to yourself, why is it that I'm not wearing this? Is it not part of my style story? Does it not fit well? Why does it not go with any other items in my closet? Now, specialty items are a completely different story. So, you probably will have some specialty items that really only go with 1 or 2 things, and that's fine. But the idea is that we want to have a closet full of clothes that we can mix and match things in and rotate things through so that we don't have to have a lot of clothes, but we can have clothes that work really well together and create an awesome wardrobe. So step 2 is, what happens when you are going along your rack of clothing and you stumble upon a piece and you hold it out and you look at it and you're like, I have no idea what to pair with this piece of clothing. And you start holding things up in your closet and nothing seems to look right with it. You just kind of feel stuck. Well, this is where Google Images will come into play. So I want you to head on over to your computer, go to Google Images and type in what you're looking at. So let's say it's a snakeskin pair of pants or a leopard print blazer or this blue and white striped skirt. We're going to type it in and all of a sudden an entire page of pictures is going to come up that we can use as inspiration. So look here, we can see one that has a pink jacket. We see one here that has yellow mixed with it. So all of these pictures can give you ideas. So we will do exactly what we did in last week's video, which was to look at our Pinterest board and try and recreate the picture. So again, it does not have to be exact, but use the picture for inspiration and see what items you have in your closet that feel similar that you could use to recreate this outfit using Google Images. So I hope you guys found this super helpful. I know right now it's kind of challenging not being able to like head out to the stores and browse around and look at mannequins for inspiration of spring outfit ideas. But hopefully using Google Images with the clothes in your closet will help you feel inspired to make some new outfits for spring. I would love to have you guys share this with your friends and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And feel free to head on over to my website where you can get a free download on creating outfits, as well as you can purchase a copy of my book, The Outside Inside Magic of a Great Image. So until next time, you guys, bye.